Sir, first of all, on behalf of the Finchland Resorts, we warmly welcome you here.
Thank you.
We are pleased to ask you, sir, how do you look at your village Raimona as a government servant? And we also see your younger ones, like Sri Pinku Nazari, a good businessman running a resort, and Sri Professor Bosumatari, a social worker and doing work on conservation of National Raimona Park. On behalf of all the questions raised, we look forward to your advice and the potential of Raimona.
Thank you very much for inviting me here for the first time. And I'm really very happy that my village, Raimona, once it was a very remote one, now it is coming up. It's coming up in all sorts. After the declaration of the national park, Raimona National Park, it has picked up. Slowly but gradually it is picking up. And we see a lot of businesses are coming up here. Resorts like Pinjalin Resort, it has come up. It is of very good quality. And I visited here along with my family. Mr. Pinku Nazari, who is also my friend and a younger brother. He is doing very fine job. He has recently opened this resort, and I have tasted the food. The place of stay is awesome. People around can visit here, and it has given a lot of opportunities to younger ones in the village. Many of them are finding jobs here, and it's very good to see. Otherwise, they would have to go to many other places to work. Now they're finding place to work here, and I'm really happy to see all this. Also, my friend and a brother, Mr. Professor, he is working as a conservationist on his own volunteer. He's also a teacher, and I'm really happy that he has volunteered to uplift the people of the village through his skills, imparting on the younger ones to pick up many revenue generating skill sets, such as tour operator, conservationist work related to, and then going to safari, creating awareness. All these works has been carried out very beautifully by Mr. Professor and his team. He also has a team. What is the name of your? Golden Langur Equatorial Society. Yes. Raimona is also very famous for this golden langur. The PTC area is famous for golden langur, which is endangered species here. And in its name itself, we have this society, Golden Langur Society, which is doing a tremendous job. And your question, brother, was also saying, regarding the younger ones.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Regarding how do I see as a government servant? Younger ones here, education is picking up. Healthcare facilities are also coming, and younger ones, they are, I can say that they are moving ahead with time, picking up the skills, computer skills, spoken languages skills, hospitality skills, receiving guests, being so friendly to people, and not being alien. People from all over the world, even from Bangalore or Madras or even from abroad, they're coming here and feeling very happy, and they're moving. They're actually giving a really good feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir. Okay, sir.
The Raimona National Park has provided a lot of opportunities. Now younger ones can come into field of such as tour operators. They can be nature guides. Many homestays are operating. I heard there are already 10 homestay operators. Facilities, the basic facilities are there with fooding and simple lodging facilities with warm and very good quality food, which is traditional food. And also businesses, small businesses are cropping up here, and still there are a lot of opportunities, and many other opportunities can come up, such as if we organize festivals, Raimona festivals, so showcasing our culture. It will invite people, there will be a lot of footfall, and it will generate directly or indirectly a lot of businesses. It will give indirect or direct employment to people here. Due to lack of industries here in this area, people usually flee away to far off distances, such as Tamil Nadu or Kerala. So this, I can see that it has stopped in the sense it has reduced to large extent. So in this way, and also if we organize sports like marathon in this area, I think it will be added advantage to pull people and to pull our to increase or to grow our tourism industry. I also heard recently Raimana National Park has garnered a lot of taxes for the government, and it has picked up. It has picked up, and also it will pick up. I'm sure it will pick up. It will be a lot of benefits for our people. So I think we should all promote it together, and I think community participation is there completely. So I wish all the best to all the operators and all those who are willing. Thank you. I am very thankful to Mr. Tinku, my brother. I wish him all the very best, that his resort should really flourish in days to come. People should really visit his place. I'm liking it. And Professor, keep up the good work, my brother. Thank you. Best wishes.